Hello, everyone. Welcome to TEIP 5119. I am Anel van der Merwe, your lecturer for this module, Teaching Experience for First Year B.Ed students in the intermediate phase. My theme for the Teaching Experience module is a growing tree. Over the next 5 sessions, we will literally watch this tree grow with you. Why a tree? It symbolizes your development as a teacher. The root symbolizes professional foundations and ethics. The trunk symbolizes service and structure. The branches symbolizes observation skills. The leaves symbolizes active teaching and lesson design. And finally, our fruits will be the reflection and lifelong growth. I look forward to meeting all of you.